Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
Amen. Yours sincerely, Prince Will Richard, the leader of Biafra Nations League (BNL). Yes, I want to say longest time because it has been long. I came up on this platform to speak to us ever since I think it's up to 3 weeks or so after the reported incidents in Bakassi Peninsula. We decided to. A lot of things are going on the ground, which does not really require us going publicly to begin to make noise or whatever or whatsoever. Things are going on the ground. A lot of plans. And somebody said he's not hearing me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, please? If you can hear me, you indicate. Maybe I will start all over. Can you hear me? Please, if you cannot hear me, indicate, please, before I proceed. All right. I don't know how to shout, so just listen very well. Somebody said he can't hear me. So a lot of things happened, and we decided to go underground. And of course, many things are happening underground which we are planning. And of course, you know that now their election is coming up, and they are using their campaigns and whatever to distract us. And the worst part of it is that they have succeeded in buying some of our people. They have bought a lot of our people with money, And I know that okay, yes, the economic situation is terrible in Nigeria, and some of our people are accepting money to go and mobilize crowd for them, and you know, but we don't have to allow them to overshadow us, because whether they win or they lose, they are the same people, and they have nothing to offer. That every year they are coming to make promises, making fake promises to the Southeasterners, making fake promises to South people. And you see everybody cheering them. You go back to bondage. So I don't know the kind of brain most of us have. So we are still on our mission. We went silent for some time, trying to arrange one or two. And of course, our boys are ever ready for actions, for activities to restore our lost sovereignty. So we may not, yes, John's love, Alozie, said my heart was beating when I can't hear from you guys. Your heart shouldn't beat, of course. Like I said, it's not everything we'll come and say publicly. A lot of things are going on the ground. So we mustn't come and begin to talk for people to know that we are doing something. I remember when the other incident took place, I was a major target. And I had to comport myself and re-strategize. But of course, there was no evidence that I was involved in that incident in Bakassi. So, but we're not afraid of them. We only have to take precaution. We're not afraid of them. Since then, I think I've been around Imo State, where I'm also having problem with the criminals that Hope Uzodinma sent to be extorting money from people, from vehicle owners. Uh, I've been in Imo State for the past 2 weeks. From one problem to another. From one problem to another. That is the kind of government we have, and they are coming to campaign. They are coming to campaign again to be installed for a second term. You know, it was terrible while in Imo State. It was terrible. Many talks. I don't know. They just from different criminals talks to be extorting money from people. For 2 weeks I was in Owerri. I saw when you move from here to here, these ones come, they say they are 3 hour. 3 hour, they are monitoring one way. A place that I have been moving that is not one way. Before you know, they surround you, take you to the office. Blah 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 blah. You move from here to here. The other one, they say they are in track. Why? They hold you. They start demanding money. These are well extortion. It's a government that is extorting from indigents. From indigents. Well, the only way is to make sure that they are being will frustrate them. Will continue to frustrate them. They will never enjoy peace. They will never enjoy peace. So the person who said he was afraid, we went silent. Shouldn't be afraid. We know what we are doing. Of course, this struggle is a matter of between life and death, and we are all ready to face the consequences. And there's no going back. There is no going back. We have never betrayed our people in BNL, and I don't think this is the time for us to betray our people. No, Biafra is close, and this is the time, this opportunity. They don't know that the election is an opportunity for us to split. It's an opportunity, and we have to use that opportunity. We have to make use of it. Because if you look at those contestants, they are from the 3 ethnic groups. You understand? Fulani, Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo. Are you getting me? So after the election, we will know that on their own side too, there must be crisis. You understand? There must be crisis. So we use opportunity and hit them. You understand? We have to use this opportunity. Every opportunity. I'm just looking for an opportunity. Are you getting me? Because those of us now that, not those of us, those of them that have been deceived, following politicians, chanting, Tinubu, P2B, is it obedient movement, and articulation. They will come back and cry. They will come back. By the time the katakata starts, they will realize what we are talking about. They will realize what we are talking about. We won't tell them anything now, but they have to be careful. They have to be careful, so they will not fall into trouble when it starts. So I'm not here to mind sword or to say what is going to happen, but this election is an opportunity for us to do what? To go our separate ways. That is just what I'm after. Not who will, because we win. It doesn't, we will not contribute anything. I don't have PVC right from since my mother gave birth to me. I don't even know how, I'm only seeing it online how it looks like. I don't have PVC. I've not done that before. Instead of me to, if I want to use it in the bank, I have my national ID card. I go and I use it for bank purpose. I go or any other transaction, any other thing. I don't have PVC. So the useless country will find ourselves. I don't know. There's no point going to risk your life to go and vote them. You may go there and their talks will come and shoot everybody, because they also have their talks. They are criminal gang group. So you can see what we are talking about. Every year there is no. Every year there is no. Term. Every president that comes in will always want to bring his own stupidity. This one will come in. He will change naira. He has designed naira. This one will come. Before he goes, he bring another currency. This is not development. Many countries have passed this stage. We are designing naira. How does it contribute to the economy? How does it contribute to the economy? People are suffering. There's no job. Someone will go to school. After schooling, come out, there's no job. There's no job. Instead of you to provide job for the people, you are designing naira when dollar is going higher. You are designing naira. My dear, this country is I don't know how do I put it? They behave like cartoons. Zombie. Zombie. The government of this country, they behave like zombie. They behave like zombie. Anyway, they should be messing up. But all what we know is that very soon we are going to be using our own currency, Biafran currency. Biafran currency. And if when you look at the Biafran currency, you can't compare our currency, the old currency of Biafra with with the naira. You can't compare it. Because the people's heads that are there are corrupt politicians. People who are corrupt. People who put us in bondage. They put their head there. You can't see that in Biafran currency. You can't see that in Biafran currency. But we have to do the needful. We have to do the needful because sabotage is too much in this struggle. That is what has been delaying us, and it's like our efforts is not enough. Sabotage is too much in this struggle. Sabotage is too much in this struggle. When the boys in Bakazi took action by apprehending 3 oil workers, a lot of people started writing, they are criminals, they are this, they are that. They want to tarnish the image of IPO. They want to tarnish the image of Martin Namdek. And they want to. I said, oh, if these boys are not doing this to pressurize the government, at this time, I'm not saying I know them, but so far they are doing it in the interest of our people. If they are not doing this, how do you think Martin Namdek will be out? By you can't negotiate without having something working. When you go to the table for negotiation, they take you serious. They take you serious. We are not doing anything. You are just there. You are just there. Maybe only sit at. They won't take you serious. Who will come and negotiate with you? For those begging for negotiation. And when our boys swing into action, people will say, yeah, they are criminals. They are criminals. They want to spoil our image. They want to spoil our image. This struggle is not for one group or one person. Everybody is doing what they know best. Are you getting me? Everybody is doing what they know best to do and how best to do it. So I don't have much to say. I came in here because I came to address us today because it has been long, and just to make us understand that we are still alive, we are still active, and we are taking our time. As a lot of arrangements are going on, we don't have to come up. We are taking our time, and it has taken us some weeks. And by the time we hit again another angle, they will know that these people are becoming something else. So I don't think I have much to say. So I thank you all for watching, for listening. Please kindly share the video, make it go viral. Invite your colleagues on your friend list to follow our page. So we'll give you more updates, but this is where we'll give authentic updates in case we hear that BNL did this or BNL said this. If you don't confirm from us directly on this page, you know that whatever information you had is fake. It's fake. So thank you. Happy Sunday to you all, and happy December.
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do where to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.